Hello everyone and welcome to Sciences Po. Today, our College of Liberal Arts is opening its doors for a day entirely dedicated for your questions and your plans for the future. Throughout the day, you will be able to speak with the teams from our 7 campuses in Paris and across our regional sites. You will also have the chance to meet our academic staff, our international teams, our admissions officers, and of course our students who are undoubtedly our best ambassadors. They will tell you everything you need to know: the courses, campus life, specializations, international mobility, double degrees, and above all, what Sciences Po has changed in their lives. You are absolutely right to take an interest in Sciences Po. Sciences Po is a selective, world-class university recognized as one of the leading institutions in social sciences and humanities. Our network of partnerships enables us to offer a wide range of double degree programs, both in France and internationally, with some of the very best universities worldwide. It is also a program that is deeply open to the world, with a mandatory third year spent abroad. Our teaching is rooted in the major issues shaping the contemporary world: democratic transformation, social inequalities, geopolitical challenges, and climate change. Sciences Po is finally a diverse and close-knit community. We recruit talented students from every background, from across France and from around the world. With more than 150 nationalities represented, our commitment to widening access is one of the most ambitious in France and in Europe. At Sciences Po, you will study with the whole world in the classroom. So make the most of this day. Meet our teams, ask your questions, explore our campuses, discover our programs. We are looking forward to meeting you and to helping you gain all the tools you need to understand the world and, above all, to play an active and independent role within it. Welcome to Sciences Po.